Morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, now let's begin today's class. We will continue the same chapter, that is, does it look the same? We will continue with the same chapter. So, in the previous video, we studied what we studied. We studied about the mirror images and means how the mirror images are same, how we can draw a mirror line between two images. We will learn in this video, and previous video we looked at how two images seems to be similar. So let's see what we studied. We studied about patterns in the last video. We studied that repeated decorative designs are called pattern. Means when a design is repeating itself many times, it is known as a pattern. Now today in that video we studied about mirror half also. Mirror half means both the sides will look same, as we took the example of hands, that both the hands look same, so they are mirror images of each other. So we studied about the mirror images. Now if a figure is divided into two coincident parts, means a figure is there and that is divided into two equal parts, the two equal parts are same, so they are what? They are mirror images of each other, and in mathematical term we call it as symmetry. Yes, we call it as symmetry. Two images that look similar, exactly similar to each other, they are and that are mirror images of each other, is known as symmetry in the mathematical term, and the line that is dividing both the figures is known as line of symmetry or the mirror line, as we studied in the previous video. Now let's see, as in this case you can see, I'll show you through this one. Wait, ब्रश कहाँ है? Now as you can see in this image, that this line, as you can see, this center line is dividing this image into two equal parts and both the parts are same. So means this line, the center line, is known as mirror line or the symmetry line, and these figures are symmetrical to each other. So now in this figure you can see two lines of symmetries are drawn, from first from this side and the next one is from this side, means one horizontally and one vertically. Two lines are drawn. So are they same? Can you see all the parts? Are these parts same? Now if we are drawing a line from this side, means we are drawing a horizontal line. So can you say that this part and this part are same? No, they are not same, because this side the square box is there, this side no square box is there. You can see the difference clear. Means this line is not a line of symmetry in this case. Similarly, if we are drawing a vertical line, as it is drawn here, you can see the vertical line is drawn. So if we will draw a vertical line, so can you see, is this part and this part same? No, they are not similar. So means this is also not a line of symmetry. So for line of symmetry, both the images should be same, means they should look same. Is it clear? Okay, now we will see the next one. We will see how to draw the line of symmetry. Now in the alphabets, let's start with A, rest you will do. Now here A to Z we will take, but specifically I have written some, so just look at these. Now here in this you can see the A alphabet is divided into one line of symmetry, that is a vertical line of symmetry. It is drawn here. You can see A can be divided into two equal parts by drawing a horizontal vertical line of symmetry. So both the sides of A are visible, are same. Like if I'll write A here, and if I'll divide this into equal parts by dividing from here, so you can see both the sides of A are same. So means this is a symmetrical image with both sides equal and with only one line of symmetry. Let's take the B. Now here B, as you can see, B has only one line of symmetry, that is a horizontal line of symmetry. If I'll draw B here, I'll write B here. If I'll divide this B like this horizontally, you can see the above one and the below one are same. So in this case only one line of symmetry is there, and that is the horizontal line of symmetry. Now let's see the C1. C, you can see it is having only one line of symmetry, that is a horizontal line of symmetry. Similarly, some more alphabets are written here. You can see H is there. In H, two lines of symmetries are there. You can see in H, two lines of symmetries are there. First is this side and next is this side. Means if I'm writing H like this, so it can be divided into two equal parts like this also, means horizontal, vertically also, and horizontally also. So it can be divided into two equal parts by two ways. First is this horizontal line of symmetry, and next one is the vertical line of symmetry. Vertical is this standing line and horizontal is line. Now M, as you can see, M is also having only one line of symmetry. U is also having one line of symmetry. V is also having one line of symmetry, and similarly W is having one line of symmetry. Now D is having one line of symmetry, that is horizontal line of symmetry. E is also having horizontal line of symmetry, and O is having two lines of symmetry, vertical and the horizontal, both the ones. As you can see, this one and this one, both line of symmetry is having. Now X is also having two lines of symmetry, 1 and 2. Okay. Now T is having one line of symmetry, and similarly Y is having one line of symmetry. So what you will do, you will write all these alphabets in your notebook and draw their lines of symmetry. You will draw their line of symmetry A to Z, means you will write all the alphabet A to Z and then draw their line of symmetry in whatever possible way it is. If not possible, just write down not possible. As we can see in the case of, if I'll write G, okay, if I'm writing G, so can G have any line of symmetry? No, it cannot have any line of symmetry, because if I'll draw a vertical horizontal line like this, then also you can see this side and this side are not same. If I'll draw a vertical line, then also you can see this side and this side are not same. So means G is not having any line of symmetry. So in this one, G you will write, below G you will write no line of symmetry. Similarly, you can take the case of Q. Q is also not having any line of symmetry. Z also, it is not having any line of symmetry. So many alphabets are there which are having more two lines of symmetry. Some are having one line of symmetry and some are having no line of symmetry. So you will do this in your notebook. Now let's see these figures and find out how many lines of symmetry they are having. Now see the first figure, it is a rectangle. Yes, and we will find its line of symmetry. So how we will draw the line of symmetry? First is this one is horizontal one, and the next one is the vertical one. So as you can see, if you will draw a line, horizontal line of symmetry, you can see the above one and the below one, above portion and the below portion are same. And if we will draw a vertical line of symmetry, then we also find that both the sides are equal. So it is having how many lines of symmetry? It is having two lines of symmetry. Now let's see the next figure. It is BB written. So let's find out. If we will cut this into two like this horizontally, we will find that all the parts, this part, this part, this part and this part are same. So it is having only one line of symmetry. If we will cut it vertically, let's see if we will cut it vertically. So they are not same. Why? Because this side it is B and this is nice. See here, one side it is like this and one side is a plain one, so they are not same. You will not find the same B when you will see that in the mirror. It will, if you will place a mirror, okay, I'll show you once. If you will place a mirror here in between like this, vertically you will place a mirror, then what you will find in the mirror, you will not find this image in the mirror. You will find a image like this in the mirror, means inverted image you will find. So this is what means they are not mirror images of each other, they are not symmetrical. Now the next figure, it is the third figure. As you can see a star here, I'll make it bigger for you. Okay, now in this star we will draw line of symmetries. So how we can draw this? We can draw this like this and like this. Two lines of symmetries are there, and if we will draw like this and like this, then also it is also having so we can say it is having four line of symmetry. Yes or no? So we can cut the star into four types of symmetries, four lines of symmetries. Now let's see more figures. Now in this figure, just draw the line of symmetries. Try to do in your notebook. We'll discuss it. Okay, now in the A1, as you can see, as we have studied this also, A is having how many line of symmetry? It is having only one line of symmetry. It will be like this, vertical line of symmetry. And this is triangle. It is having how many lines of symmetry? Let's draw it. So we can draw it like this and like this and like this. We can cut it like this. So it is having how many lines of symmetry? It is having three lines of symmetry. Now in this one, if we will draw a line through this horizontal line, then the vertical line, so it is having how many lines of symmetry? It is having two lines of symmetry. Now let's move to the next figure. We'll see some figures from your book also. As you can see in your book, I'll show you. Now here you can see this figure. So it is having how many lines of symmetry? How can we draw the lines of symmetry in this figure? You can see it is on page number 74 in your books. You can see it, this figure. So if you will draw a line of symmetry like this, vertically, you can see both the sides of the images are same. But if you will draw it horizontally, you will find that they are not same. So it is only having one line of symmetry. Is it clear? Okay. Now in this figure you can see a line of symmetry is drawn. It is in your book, page number 76. If you have books, you can see in your books. So in your this you can see a line of symmetry is drawn here. So are these figures same? Means when a line of symmetry is drawn here, so can you see this side is equal or not? Yes, they are not equal, because this side it is like this and this side it is small portion is there. So both the lines are not same. So we can say that this is not the line of symmetry for this figure. Now what about this figure? Can this figure have any line of symmetry? Can you draw any line of symmetry for this figure? Just draw it. We'll draw it. So we can draw it like this. We can draw a vertical line of symmetry for this figure. Now if we will, and now we see that both the sides are equal. Now if we will draw a horizontal line of symmetry, then what will happen? Let's see. Just draw it. If we will draw a line of symmetry like this, so are these two sides equal? No, they are not equal. So means it is not having any horizontal line of symmetry. It is only having a vertical line of symmetry. Now see the other images also. Can you draw line of symmetry in these images? In this one, can you draw the line of symmetry? Just try to do that. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. How can you do that? Can you draw? If we will draw it like this, then also both the sides are not equal, and if we will draw it this horizontally, then also they are not same. So it means it is not having any line of symmetry. Now let's see the next image, this one. Now similarly, if we will draw a vertical line of symmetry, we will see that it is having vertical line of symmetry. Both the sides are equal. Now if we will draw a horizontal line of symmetry, then you can see the sides are not equal, means they are not same. So we can say that this figure is having only one line of symmetry, that is the vertical line of symmetry. Now let's try to complete these figures. Only half portion is shown and we have to complete this figure, means we have to find the mirror images of these figures. Now as you can see here, what is there? A vertical line and a horizontal line, and what it will form? It will form a H, as we know. So let's draw what will be the mirror image. So we will draw it like this and something like this. So you will draw a straight line. So this is the mirror image of this figure. Now what about this figure? So it will be a straight line here this side and a line this side. So it will be something like Y. So this is the mirror image of this image. Let's see the take another image. So now just tell me, in these figures, are they correctly divided into equal parts? Means are they mirror images of each other or not? Or is this line a line of symmetry or not? Means is this line, whatever is drawn here, is this line a line of symmetry or not? Just tell me, is first line is the mirror line or not for this figure? Yes, it is a mirror line because yes, both the sides are equal. As you can see, this side and this side, both the sides are equal. So means they are mirror images of each other. And this line, the center line which is dividing the figure into two equal parts, is a line of symmetry. So can you tell me the other way in which we can draw a line of symmetry in this figure? Yes, how can we draw that? Yes, we can draw a vertical line of symmetry also. Here like this we can draw. We will see that this part and this part are same. So it is having how many lines of symmetry? Two lines of symmetry. Now in the W1, can you see the W here? So in this W, you can see a line of symmetry is drawn. It's a vertical line of symmetry. So are the two sides equal? Are the two sides equal? Yes, both the sides seems to be equal and same. So this line is the mirror line, or we can say symmetrical line of this figure. Now if I'll draw a horizontal line here, so are these equal? Are the above portion and the down portion same? No, they are not same. So means it is having only one line of symmetry, that is the vertical line of symmetry. Now see the third one, see third figure. In this third figure, a line is drawn here. A vertical line is drawn here. So are this part, is this part and this part equal? Is this part equal? No, they are not equal. Means this is not the line of symmetry for this figure. So who will draw this line of symmetry? We will draw this line of symmetry. Okay, just draw it. I will draw. Yes, we can draw a horizontal line of symmetry, you have to draw a straight line. So a horizontal line of symmetry will divide this figure into two equal parts. So what we studied today? We studied about the symmetrical images and line of symmetry. What are symmetrical images? The images of figures that seems to be similar when divided by a single line, that is known as what? That is known as symmetrical images, and the line which is separating the images into two equal parts is known as line of symmetry, and we also call that line as mirror line. Now here this you will do, and we studied about the number of lines of symmetry, line of symmetry at the horizontal and vertical two over there. We also draw some this mirror halves of some diagrams, and we saw that are they mirror images of each other or not, means line of symmetry. So hope you will got the things. Now what you have to do, you have to go through all the points once again, watch the video again if you are not getting, and if you have any doubt you can note it down. I'll clear your doubt in the next session. Okay, so till then, take care, stay home and stay safe. Sai Ram.